Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Olympiadia channel. My name is Hossein Mardani, and I'm here to teach you about how to solve a system with two equations and two unknown variables, like this. And the method of solving this system is using matrix, and here the answer of the system is written in below. So these parameters is explained in the future slides. So next slide we have a question. So read the question aloud. There's a system with two equations and two unknowns. Solve the system using matrix approach. So here we have a system 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and x plus 2y is equal to 1. So the equations is twice and the unknowns is x and y variables. So the approach is to get x and y number from this system. So how to solve this system? One of the method is using matrix. So we only need to change the system to matrix system. So one of the matrix is coefficient matrix. So the way to get this coefficient is to detect the coefficient from x and y. So the coefficient from x and y is 2, 3, 1, and 2. So these numbers is directly written inside the coefficient matrix as 2, 3, 1, and 2. And in the continue we have a vector from the result of system. So this vector is written as red marked. So 4 and 1 is the vector of result. So we can rewrite this matrix and variable vector and result vector. So the coefficient matrix is 2, 3, 1, and 2. To multiply by the unknown variables like x and y. X and y vector is going to read as x variable. And the result is 4 and 1, which is written as red marked. So the system now is changed to a matrix system like 2, 3, 1, 2 that x and y is equal to 4 and 1. And the aim is to get the x and y variables. So x and y is going to be assumed by x, and the matrix is going to be as a coefficient matrix, and 4 and 1 is going to be b. The vector 4 and 1 is assumed to be capital B letter as a vector. So the equation is changed to a dot x is equal to b. Now we can simply solve this equation. A dot x is equal to b. So x is equal to a inverse dot b. So the approach is to multiply A inverse from the left side. So in matrix world, it is important to multiply the A inverse from right or from the left. So if you multiply A inverse from the left, we have A inverse dot A dot x is equal to A inverse dot b. So A inverse dot A is equal to I as identity matrix and x. So I dot x is equal to A inverse dot b. I dot x is equal to x and x is equal to A inverse dot b. So x is equal to A inverse dot b as a answer. So from this parameter we have B matrix and we don't have A inverse matrix. So we have to get A inverse matrix. How to get A inverse from A? First of all, we are going to calculate determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to 2 times 2 minus 3 times 1. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 and 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And the determinant of A matrix is equal to 1. And finally, we have A inverse as a matrix. A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A times 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. So the first and fourth member of matrix is changed their replace, and the second and third member of matrix is going to be change their sign. So A inverse is equal to 1 over 1 times 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. And it is simplified as A inverse is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. So we can get the A inverse matrix. All we need to do to multiply A inverse by B. So X is equal to A inverse by B, and it is going to be 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2 dot 4 and 1. So the way of multiplying these matrix is 2 times 4 plus minus 3 times 1 for first member and minus 1 times 4 plus 2 times 1 for second member. So this calculation is going to be 5 and minus 2. So x is equal to 5 and minus 2. And x, we know that is equal to x and y variables. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. So the answer now is ready for us. Okay, we can reach to the answer of the system. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. And we end until the end of the video. Okay, until the next video, have fun, stay tuned, and goodbye.